Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dutarnedi from the 11 religion. This time I will make an Ed Sheeran perfect song tutorial using the guitar along with the guitar key or chord. And first we prepare the guitar, and the second we play with the basic chord. The basic chord is G, A minor, C, and D. And then the third we play melody or passage. Like this. And when the chord in the ref, it's changed to A minor, C, G, D, and A minor again. And let's go playing. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. But I found a girl beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just hold my hand. It might not be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass and listening to our favorite song. When you say you love goodness, I whisper underneath my breath, but you